আমরা বলছি যে আমরা ভাষার জন্য জীবন দিয়েছি, তারপরেও আমরা ইংরেজি কালচার করি। এটা আমাদের সময়ের প্রয়োজন। আমাদের বর্তমান যে যুগ, গ্লোবালাইজেশনের যুগে আমাদের ফর কমিউনিকেশন অ্যান্ড বেটার ম্যানেজমেন্ট, বেটার লাইফ, বেটার পেমেন্ট আমাদের ইংরেজি কালচার করতে হচ্ছে। তো আই অ্যাম এ টিচার, আই অ্যাম এ ড্রিমার। I dream for the students' future. It's my adventure. There is an opinion. It is a noble profession. It brings ambition. A teacher gets no promotion. He suffers from tension. Students are innocent. Teachers make them intelligent. Students become officers. They think for their future. Teachers remains a student. What makes him confident? He continues his studies, and it is his first duties. A teacher bears some ethics and principles. Those are followed by the pupils. He is a nation builder. At the same time, he is a developer and philosopher. He is a man of morality, honesty and duty. He has the power of creativity. Teaching is a noble profession, but its method is his own. Teachers are honorable. They are honored by the people. Teaching is a noble profession, and it is mentioned in every religion. Society expect everything, but they are unwilling to share anything. A teacher possesses little property. He lives with simplicity and poverty. Sometimes he is scolded by his wife because he leads very simple life. Children are dissatisfied with their father because their father is a teacher. They find their life very tough because their father doesn't earn enough. I am a teacher. I am a nation maker. I am hungry. I work for the discovery. I am a teacher. I am a discoverer. I work for the nation. I always suffer from tension. We live in poverty, but we are dependent on the Almighty. People with power and position look at the teachers with humiliation, and they say, ... Teaching is a noble profession. Ignoring the teachers, can we hope for the bright future? Thank you all. Thank you everybody. আমার কোনো ভুল ত্রুটি হলে আপনারা মাফ করে দেবেন। আমি আপনাদের এটা আমার স্বরচিত এবং তো ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে, এবং এই সঙ্গে আমি আমার বক্তব্য শেষ করেছি। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।